Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that will leave you drooling over your keyboard. On the left, we have the MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard, and on the right, we have the ASRock B660M Pro RS. Let the battle begin. Alright, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk comes in at a reasonable $169, while the ASRock B660M Pro RS is a steal at just $149. Looks like we've got a price war on our hands, folks. Moving on to the brains of these bad boys, both motherboards have impressive processor support. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk supports 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors and future AMD Ryzen processors with a BIOS update. Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS supports the latest 12th Gen Intel Core processors. It's like having a futuristic army of processors at your fingertips. RAM, the fuel that powers our gaming adventures. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to a whopping 128 GB clocked at 4,866 MHz. Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS supports DDR4 memory up to 4,800 MHz, OC. That's some serious speed for those intense gaming sessions. Now let's talk about expansion slots. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk boasts an impressive array of slots, including PCIe 4.0, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2. On the other side, the ASRock B660M Pro RS offers one PCIe 4.0x16, one PCIe 3.0x16, and one PCIe 3.0x1. It's like having a highway system for all your gaming needs. Looks matter even for motherboards. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk features Mystic Light RGB LED lighting with 16.8 million colors and 29 effects. It's like a disco party in your PC. Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS keeps things sleek and simple with a clean design. It's like the James Bond of motherboards, smooth and sophisticated. Now, let's talk about audio, because we all want that immersive gaming experience. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk rewards your ears with studio-grade sound quality thanks to its Audio Boost feature. It's like having a personal concert while gaming. Unfortunately, the ASRock B660M Pro RS doesn't come with any specific audio enhancements. It's like listening to your favorite song on a tin can telephone. Things are heating up, folks. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk comes with a premium thermal solution, featuring an aluminum cover and additional choke thermal pad rated for 7 WMK. Plus, it has a PCB with 2-ounce thickened copper for better heat dissipation. It's like having an air conditioner for your motherboard. Sadly, the ASRock B660M Pro RS doesn't offer the same level of thermal prowess. It's like trying to cool down a volcano with a handheld fan. The MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk and the ASRock B660M Pro RS have battled it out in various categories, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your gaming needs. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information on these fantastic motherboards. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.